welcome to our day 3 vlog. We are almost at Cozumel. It is about 7 a.m. and your girl is already awake. Who is she? I am not really a morning person, but it's been nice to wake up early and, you know, get the day started early. So I am going to go downstairs to deck 4 and walk the track. I know. Who is she? Who is she working out on vacation? It feels warm. There's a lot of clouds on that side, so I don't know which way the clouds are moving, but over this way looks nice and clear. Yesterday our head server told us that it's supposed to be between 75 and 80 degrees outside today. And then at around noon, it's going to rain, but just for like an hour, and then clear skies right after. So we'll see how the day goes. So they currently have it blocked off at the very front because they're doing operations so that we could park the ship. But typically you'd be able to walk through that way, and then 3 loops would make 1 mile. Oh yeah? Look who's stalking me! He found me! And he's even matching me, what?
Well, I had this on first.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
baby.
Okay. Had this on first.
How's your workout?
It's good.
Yeah?
Did you do some walking already?
Yeah, well, I couldn't go all the way through. I've only done like 2. I've done like 2 laps. And then I decided to just chill and watch the sea go by. But it looks like we're almost at the port. And then Sean found me. Where did you start off on the other side, huh?
Morning.
Good morning.
So actually I started on this side. I saw it was blocked off. And then...
You didn't look down this way?
No, I did.
Oh.
You must have not been here yet.
Oh.
So I went to 10. Did a loop, went to 9, did a loop. I was gonna try to just sneak into Cabanas because there's a long line, but I was like, nah, she wouldn't eat breakfast without me.
Yeah, I would not.
But then I was like, maybe she would.
No.
So I was like, okay, I'll go to 4 real quick. And so I went to 4 on starboard side, and then I came and looped around this way again.
Do you want to go for breakfast, or you want to walk a little bit?
We can go up to 10. It has some good views of the port and everything, and then walk down to 9 because there's still a long line.
Really? Okay. Yeah, it's probably everybody that is, I bet a lot of people that are eating breakfast right now are probably going to head off the ship. So we'll let them, you know, do their thing since we don't really have major plans today. Alright, we are having breakfast at Cabanas, which is a buffet, and it's self-serve. So I have this hearty plate of meat and carbs. Sean does too, and he got us some iced tea to drink.
So we're back in our room. We're getting ready to go to the rainforest and the rainforest spa. And just depending how busy it is, we may or may not vlog, so it just kind of depends. But Lynn will probably grab some pictures. And yeah, we're just gonna kind of have a relaxing day. We're here in Cozumel. And it looks to be a nice day.
Welcome to the Rainforest Room. Right now it is just Sean and I in here, so I feel comfortable recording. Obviously I don't want to record when other people are enjoying this relaxing space. So I totally recommend coming on a port day. So if you want to avoid crowds, definitely today is the day to do it. And I can imagine that it would be really packed in here on a sea day. But anyways, there are 5 loungers behind me, and then we have 2 different steam room experiences. This one is the mild steam room, and then the other one is across the way, and it's an aromatic steam room. And then we have these different shower experiences. So rain shower, tropical thunder, and cold fog over there. I was really surprised. I was expecting the rain shower to be a bit on the cooler side, but it was actually the hottest one. So it was hot, then warm, and then cold over there. My favorite experience is the tropical thunder experience. So yeah, we've been having a good time. It's just been Sean and I for like about an hour and a half total. So people come and go because they also sell cruise length passes. So a lot of people just come for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and then they leave and come back later. So that's a great option too if you prefer to be able to enjoy this space spread across your voyage. Sean and I, we usually just get the day pass and find that it's enough relaxation for us. They also have lemon water and regular water. And then they also have plenty of towels. And then they also have attendants, of course, checking in to make sure that there are enough supplies, so you'll never be left trying to find more towels or water and whatnot. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Rainforest Room here on the Disney Magic. You'll have to let us know what you think down below in the comments. Hello YouTube, we are done getting ready. So we showered and freshened up. I crimped my hair, and now we're gonna head to the concierge lounge and maybe grab a snack depending on what they have out. And then maybe go take some pictures on the top deck while we're here on port and while it's not windy. Alright, we're hanging out in the concierge sun deck and we got some snacks. So it is the afternoon tea service, and we have these little sandwiches. And then I made some coffee. I put milk in there and then a quadruple shot. So hopefully that'll give me energy through the rest of the day and the evening for pirate night.
So this is what the atrium looks like when there's no one around. So quiet. Oh, and there's Captain Hook.
So we just got done taking some pictures on the 10th deck. Shout out to Yasa from Indonesia for taking a bunch of pictures for us. That was so kind of you to offer to help us get some pictures done.
Just since it was windy.
Yeah, it was windy. I was holding onto my hat. We were trying to make the tripod work, and I was like worried that my phone was gonna topple over into the ocean. So thank you for helping us. Right now we're just chilling on deck 4. And it definitely looks like a lively and fun and tropical place. So we're gonna probably get off the ship the next time we're docked here next week.
Just got done taking pictures, and now we're gonna draw something. No gills. What are we drawing, dear?
I don't know yet. We'll find out soon.
Oh, okay.
We just made it. This is how we did. So we drew Winnie the Pooh, and the next time we come on board, it'll look much better. Sean's looks so cute.
It's a square head.
Thank you everyone
Chubby
for joining
cheeks.
the Linmagination class. Coming up next, we're going to have a pub quiz.
Lynn's making her a cappuccino.
Yes, I had a quadruple shot earlier, and now I need more coffee.
I guess you needed a quadruple shot?
Guys, check that out.
Hi, I was seeing if we can get our complimentary truffle chocolate box delivered to our stateroom.
Alright, room service just dropped off our gift with this nice note. And we chose chocolate. Or you can choose a fruit tray or Prosecco. But here is the chocolate selection. Ooh, I didn't realize that it would be like different flavors, so that's cool. We've got dark chocolate, sea salt caramel, vanilla, milk chocolate, and raspberry. And we're probably gonna go home with 2 of these boxes because a fruit tray and Prosecco doesn't sound like our jam for our next cruise after this. So yeah, we're gonna have lots of chocolates to take home with us. Right now, we are just chilling in our room. We just sailed away. Goodbye, Cozumel. We will see you in a few days. And our dinner reservation is at 6 p.m. Right now, it's only about 5:10-ish. And we're just gonna chill in our stateroom until it's time for us to go. Man, it is so crazy how quickly your body acclimates to wherever you're traveling to. For instance, like going to sleep, your workout schedule, what time you eat, because back home we normally eat pretty early. Anywhere between 4:45 and 5:30-ish is our dinner time. For today, I decided to make our Palo Dinner reservation for 6 p.m. because I was like, oh, it'll be so nice to be able to enjoy dinner when the sun is still out, which I'm looking forward to. But you know what? I'm not like super duper hungry. Yeah, so Sean and I have been talking about like what we're gonna do, if we're gonna do the pre-fee menu, which is $45 per person. It's a really great value, but I just don't know if we're in the mood for all of that food right now. So I think we might try ordering a la carte for the first time. We kind of like price things out, and so far it seems to be a better value for us to just buy things a la carte. But normally I would definitely advise going the pre-fee menu because you get like a 4-course meal with that for just 45 bucks. So, and then also, you know, we're from Alaska, and we are back home. It's like anywhere between 25 and 30 degrees right now, and that to us is warm weather for this period of time. But down here, when it's like 60, anything less than 60, I'm like, oh my god, it's so cold. So it's really funny how the body reacts and adjusts to wherever you're traveling to. Okay, now I'm just rambling, so I'll see you guys at Palo. Bye! Here we are at Palo Dinner. Ooh. It feels so weird to be here and actually see daylight outside, because every time we come here, it's always like dark outside already. But here's what the restaurant looks like. Here is a little gift from the chef, some English. I don't know if I'm saying that. So here is our bread basket, and my favorite part is the Parmesan crisp. So here is the white bean soup, and it also has chicken in it. No, I think it has ham in it. And then Sean has the calamari. That looks like a little bird. That is like the largest prawn I've ever seen. We always order the calamari, and it's really good. So I'm excited to try this soup and see how it is. So here are my scallops. And then here's the salmon, and then Sean's steak. He ordered 2 sides. So we've got asparagus over there and mashed potatoes.
This is a very magical spoon given to my fairy godmother, Bridget Bill. And we will create a little Mickey for you. Look at this. Here's a little Mickey, and now I'll release all the calories. There we go. Let me add some chocolate and vanilla bean. Right. May I add the gelato, or you want to keep it on the side?
I'll keep it on the side.
Okay, lovely. I'll let you enjoy.
Thank you. Here is my gelato trio. I have macadamia, mango, and vanilla bean. Alright, we are here night to start. We got here about 15 minutes early, and this is how packed it is already. So the fireworks are going to shoot off on the starboard side, which is the right side of the ship if you're looking forward. Back in our room. I don't know what happened to me like during dinner, but I just started having really bad like seasickness. So I took some medicine during dinner and I was still feeling like really queasy. And then right after dinner we came back to our stateroom and I knocked out for about like an hour. I went to sleep for an hour, but when I woke up I felt so much better. And I think it was a combination of me like sitting backwards while the ship was moving forwards during dinner. I don't know, but I'm just grateful that I feel much better now. We just went to the pirate party and I think Sean mentioned it earlier, but yeah, you do get the bandanas again. Woo! I know a lot of people are concerned because they don't give out the bandanas on the Wish anymore because they give the wishing wands now. The party was so much fun. We had a really good spot up front. So the party starts at 9:45, and then at about 9:55 is when like the characters finally came out, and then the fireworks started at about 10:15, and the fireworks shoot off on the starboard side, so be on the lookout for when you're on the cruise. I believe that's the case on all of the ships. So what's funny is we were up front towards the port side, so we were on the left, and in the middle is where like a kid's mosh pit was at. And I'm not joking, it was a straight up mosh pit. The kids were wild. What were you saying about the cast members, hon?
The cast members were trying to keep them under control, keep them in the inside the gate, the roped off area, but they were struggling, and I could definitely feel that.
Yeah, I was like, oh my gosh, good thing we don't work here trying to corral these kids. They were like running up to the cannons, trying to stick their head down the cannons, and that's where they blow like the smoke effects out. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so just wanted to pop on here and tell you guys that.
But it's nice that they have a mosh pit for the kids.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. I'm glad the kids had fun, but I just thought it was funny because it's like, you see these rowdy kids hyped up on sugar. I'm like, I don't even think I partied as hard as they did. Tomorrow is another sea day, and it's actually our last full day on the cruise. We already received our gratuities. Did you show that earlier while I was napping? Okay, cool. Sean has this covered. All right, friends, we will see you tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night. I don't think we have any big plans for tomorrow, so we'll just see where the day takes us. Good night.
So it's 7:30. I came back to the room and my wife is gone. Where'd she go? She said she was gonna go for a walk at 7. I wonder if she's on the track. Let's go find her. So I'm on deck 4 on the jogging track, and I don't see her yet. I'm on starboard side. Not that way. But maybe I'll run into her on the other side. There she is. She has no idea. Uh-oh, she saw me. I found her. She tried to hide from me. I found her.
Look who's stalking me. He found me. Usually anywhere between 4:45 and 5:30 is our dinner time back home. Are you okay, honey? Are you good?
Yes.
Deuces, Sean said. This is the mild steam room, and then the other one is across the way. And then the other one is across the way. Let's go, crazy